All right, should I or should I not be using hot mud, as they call it? Or in this case, we got 90-minute drywall compound. You can get 45-minute, I think 20-minute. Might be some others, I'm not sure. This chemically dries. You only have a certain amount of time. This says that you have 60 minutes to be able to use it. You don't. It also says that it's easy to sand. Well, it's just slightly easier than trying to sand a concrete block. So you're only going to want to use this for the initial setup, and then you're going to want to use the regular compound afterwards. So when you're using this, just going to mix it up in a tray here or something that will work. I'm not going to use my nice stainless steel ones because I don't want to have to worry about getting chemically hardened garbage in there. Okay, then I'm just going to add some water. I'm not going to worry about getting an actual formula going here. And then get one of these. Go to a thrift store, get an old blender. Make sure you mix it up real good. Okay, now I've created a situation for myself. I have a ticking time bomb here. So I need to make sure that I don't lose my blender piece here. So I'm gonna make sure I get that cleaned off. I'm gonna have to do this off camera because it's boring. And I have to use this up fairly quickly. Now when this stuff starts to set up, you're probably gonna see it happen to me when I do it. You better wrap it up real quick because it gets real hard to use and it's not gonna get any better. You can't add water and make it easier or anything like that. So we're gonna go and tape a seam with it right now. All right, guys, so we're trying to film 3 videos at the same time here using the hot mud. And it's been probably 20 minutes or so. So I'm getting to the point where I'm wanting to deal with this. Because I'm going to do all of that with regular compound. Other than the taping I will do with this. But I can't have a time crunch like being on camera. So I'm just showing you right now. Deal with this. You got to get it gone. Just find somewhere you can dump it. Obviously, under the circumstances, I'm wasting way more than I ordinarily would, but for the purposes of showing you how it works, that's what we're doing. Okay, so now I'm going to take my beater, my blades, and this tray inside. I'm going to wash them out and get rid of all of this, and then we don't got to worry about it. Regular drywall compound, much easier to deal with. All right, so there we have it. Okay, so I got everything all cleaned out now. My final thoughts on the hot mud, the 90-minute that I was using. If you're gonna have to use multiple batches, you gotta make sure you take it back to this before you start the next batch, otherwise it will taint the next one. So I do use it, but I only use it for doing those tapered seams. That way I can recoat them in the same day. Like that one that I showed on camera there, I'm gonna be able to do that one in an hour. That one will be ready to paint tomorrow. So that's the reason why I use it, and that's the only instance I use it. And I'm not brave enough to use anything other than 90 because I'm just not that quick. I don't want to be that quick. That's when you make mistakes. But anyway, so it works really good, but you better make sure you know what you're getting into, okay? So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and help us grow this channel. And we're going to have some more of the video over there for you. And then our woodworking channel will link up there or down there. I don't know where he's going to put it. Anyway, thanks again. Bye.